Going ahead to some of the other stories we're tracking, especially what is happening in the national capital. There was a big development which came in yesterday where Kailash Gehlot has quit, the Delhi minister. It's a big blow to the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the polls. And what we see right now are back-to-back updates coming in, where Kailash Gehlot has resigned, and in a letter that he had put out, he clearly said that the Aam Aadmi Party is not living up to the promises that were made. Now, he was a transport minister. He resigned on Sunday, citing the party's shift from public welfare to political ambitions. And in the resignation letter, Gehlot has criticized controversies like the lavish renovation of former Chief Minister Kejriwal's residence, which he said undermine Aam Aadmi Party's principles. Aam Aadmi Party leaders claim Gehlot, under ED and income tax probe, was pressured into joining the BJP, while the BJP argued his departure reflects the disillusionment with Aam Aadmi Party's drift from its founding values. A political war of words continues over his resignation. All right, let's go straight across to my colleague joining us. Gopi is joining us live this morning. Very good morning to you, Gopi. And, yesterday we saw it was a Sunday, it was a weekend. But we saw a big development coming in. It's a big blow, obviously, to the Aam Aadmi Party, where one of its top ministers has resigned. And not just resigned, Gopi. He has clearly mentioned how the Aam Aadmi Party has not lived to its promises, how they have not delivered to the people. Of course, now a blame game has started between the Aam Aadmi Party and BJP over whether this is a conspiracy of the BJP. So this is what the Aam Aadmi Party is alleging. Go ahead, Gopi. What is the latest?
Well, good morning, Shivangi, and good morning to our viewers. When you look at the resignation letter of Kailash Gehlot, which he had in fact provided to the media yesterday as well as to the Aam Aadmi Party, it had a clear mention of how there are grave challenges within the party and how political ambitions in fact have dominated over the commitment towards people. So this is one of the reasons that he has cited. But if you speak about when did this rift actually grow, what is the genesis of this rift? It was back when Manish Sisodia's 18 important key portfolios of Aam Aadmi Party were distributed among the other Aam Aadmi Party members while he was in jail. So Arvind Kejriwal back then had chosen Atishi and Saurabh Bharadwaj as the key leaders, and there were many portfolios like law and justice was taken away from Manish Sisodia and given to Atishi. So the rift grew from there, and as we know, even during the Independence Day flag hoisting ceremony, Kailash Gehlot was not present. While also in his resignation letter, we have seen that he has used a pejorative term which has been repeatedly used by the BJP, where they've mentioned about the Sheesh Mahal controversy, the renovation of Chief Minister's house, as well as the Yamuna rejuvenation project has been mentioned in his letter. So somewhere what we are learning from our sources is that there is a high most possibility that he might join the BJP in the coming days before the Delhi Assembly elections, and he also might be given a ticket from the Najafgarh constituency. This is what we are learning from our sources. We will have to wait and watch what pans in the day. Back to you, Shivangi.
Right, Gopi. Okay, thank you for getting us those details, Gopi, because we will be tracking the story very closely. This is a very big development coming in from the national capital.